Alright, let's take a close look at my 12 volt emergency bug out ammo can box here on the left. I got it in solid light switch mode, which is in the up position right now. You go to the center, is off, and then when you switch down, goes into flashing mode for emergencies. Pretty cool, huh? Alright, so now what I want to do is show you some still pictures of this build, and hopefully it inspires you with your creations too. Thanks for watching, guys. Alright, check this out. I learned a lot with this switch here. I had to go online to get the wiring schematic, but the two greens are your 12 volt leads. It's really weird. The two blacks are a circuit and the two reds are a circuit. Once I figured that out, it was easy peasy. No problemo. Working good. Oh, last quick thing. I picked up some of these little air inlet exhaust vents with little tabs that you can bend over. I think these are pretty cool. I've been using these Midnight Solar ones, and they're, yeah, I'll get into that later, but I like these. Check this out. Looks really old school. You know, for airflow and heat escape. Probably will put one back here. What you think? Pretty cool, huh?